What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having a blessed day today. So as you guys can tell, I have a big delivery truck out there. So we're going to get this thing unloaded, get it pulled up in here in the driveway, and I will show you what it is. There it is, y'all. We just got it on the ground. He's gonna put it on the pallet jack. We're gonna bring it up here. All right. So there you have it. Y'all be able to see it here in just a minute, but this is a motorcycle accessory. So I'm going to go ahead here in just a moment, and I'm going to start opening it up. We'll see how we unstrap it and go from there. This is the Kendon SRL 2-up trailer. It's got ramps. There's the tires. We got to put them on. We got to take the fender covers off. I think this is the lights up in here, maybe the lug nuts too. So as y'all can tell, this is what it looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and get the stuff, the tires removed there, get the box off of it, and then we're going to try to get it off this this pallet here in just a few minutes. We hooked it up, the lights are working. I am gonna tape these wires up right here to help prevent a little bit of water corrosion, and I'll stuff them all back in there. Do the same thing with the other side. So now we're gonna see how this works. There it is. The Kendon SRL 2-up motorcycle trailer. So now we're going to see if we can load a motorcycle up on it. This is the trailer. We're fixing to mount the ramp on it, and we're going to put the trailer up for now. We got to empty the truck out. And if this is your first time to the channel, guys, please check out the other content. If it's content that you like, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber and viewer, guys, I appreciate y'all so much. And as soon as I get the straps and all in for this, we'll put the bikes on it, strap it down, take it for a ride, do a little video and show you all about it. Thanks, have a wonderful day.